All right. Hey, boys and girls. Good morning. I'm not going to be able to see you guys today, but I will see you guys on Monday. But I just wanted to go in and show you guys what I need you to do today. So make sure you go to your reading course and you're going to go into this week's folder, go to Friday. And the first thing I need my homeroom kids to do. So I'm not talking about Mr. Bernal or Ms. Myrex. I don't know about you guys, but my homeroom kids, you need to go into Imagine Learning first. And you need to do your lesson. It'll tell you when you are done. In case you do not know how to get into it, I'm going to show you right now. Although you've been in it at least 2 times with Ms. Morales. I know she has showed you how to get in. I do not think you can use Imagine Learning on the phone. I think you must be on a computer. So you go to Clever, go to Imagine Learning, the little robot. It's not going to let me in, guys, because I'm a teacher. But you go in, it lets you in. Go to the one that says like language and literacy, not in Spanish. Not in Spanish. Go to the one that says language and literacy and then just follow the steps that it tells you to do. So that's your first thing. You need to do Imagine Learning. Okay, after you finish that, make sure you have finished all your work for reading and social studies. So go back to the weeks, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, make sure you did all your work for reading and social studies because I am going to be doing grades today. So if you don't have your work done, you're getting a 0. You have a question to answer right here on the puzzle piece. Make sure you check out, also go to math with Ms. Myrick and science with Mr. Bernal and do any work that they have left you. So let me go and show you this. You just have one question you're going to answer. Your question is, would you recommend the story of Don Quixote to a friend to read? So is this a book that you would say, hey, yeah, look, I really like this book, or no, don't even waste your time on it. Why or why not? Give at least 2 reasons of why you would or would not recommend it. Use examples from the story. And I gave you some sentence starters. In my opinion, I would recommend the story or I would not recommend the story. And you can put because, blah, 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 blah. And then you're going to tell you, my first reason I'm recommending it or not recommending it is, and then your evidence. What evidence do you have? What proof? What examples? My second reason I am recommending it or I'm not recommending it is, and this is my evidence, my examples, okay? In conclusion, I do or do not recommend the book, okay? So you're just going to type it right here. Make sure you're using capital letters. Make sure you're using your periods at the end or your punctuation and complete sentences. Got it? All right. So after you have finished that and you have finished all your work that's for the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, then I just need you to have a good weekend. And I will see you on Monday and we will start a new unit. We're going to be on unit 5. And this one is in the CKLA. So you're going to go back to like amplify the robot library. You're going to click on it and we're going to be able to hear it out loud. Okay, guys. Well, that is it for me. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend. Bye.